Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got the what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby. That
Yes, sir.
weekly heat. So these are the shoes that are coming out from October 27th through November the 2nd. It is starting to heat up, so you better start getting your money right for all these shoes because Jordan Brand keep raising these prices up. So go ahead and start us off, my brother.
TSI's baby. That pure platinum on November the 1st. Price point for those are 160.
Woo!
160. We gotta do better for the babies, not 160, not before Christmas. And saying all that, this shoe here speaks volumes for the babies, right? That pure platinum shoe, hey, this is a rock solid shoe with that silk pure platinum on the upper. I like how they incorporated the black on the mud guard, the midsole, and the heel tab, right? I like how they did that with that striking balance of that light tone on the upper. What really make this shoe stand out, metallic gold Jumpman logo, how they just incorporated that on the tongue and the heel. This just brings a nice, classy touch to this shoe. And I'm really proud of Jordan Brand, how they really put this shoe together. So nice work there. I will be rocking these. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother? You rocking those or dropping those?
I'm gonna be rocking these, but I think for me, I think you have to change the laces. The sale, I understand that they do have a sale midsole, and so I understand they're trying to bring that up to the laces, but in my opinion, it doesn't work for this shoe. Make it look cleaner. I think some black or white laces would look better in here, but that's just my opinion. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you liking these sale laces in this Bebe shoe? But I will be rocking these for the Bebes. Again, Jordan Brand needs to work on that price. I can do see these sitting because I don't think nobody wants to pay that high for these expensive shoes. But unless the females rock these, women that can fit these Bebe shoes, that's the only way I can see these selling. But other than that, I expect these things to sit. So moving on. So these shoes are coming out on November 2nd. This is the Air Jordan 14 Black Toe. It will be coming in men's sizes and grade school. Men's retail price will be $210. Grade school will be $160. This shoe hasn't been retroed in a long time. And I thought that these shoes would be sitting right now, but there is some buzz. There is about a $90 resale markup on these shoes. So when that usually happens, resellers usually do buy these. And as you've seen from some of the other resellers out there that are on YouTube that are making videos, they already bought those shoes up and they're selling them for $300. Again, the predominantly of the shoe is all white. It's very clean shoe. Again, it does kind of make it seem like that panda colorway. Jordan Brand has been pushing these out, a lot of black and white shoes, but once you already have a black and white shoe in your collection, then how many more do you need? So I don't know if these shoes would do well. 14s don't usually do well either, but I know that this is a classic OG that's supposed to be sought after. But only time will tell to see how these will do. We do see that black toe box in the front. That's why these are called the black toe. As we move up panel, we do see that black tongue, well as the black laces, pretty much blacked out. Till you get to the very top, you'll see that Jordan standard branding for the Jordan 14s. And what I like about this shoe, both of those colors are in red, the Jordan Jumpman on the toe, as well as the Jordan lettering at the top. It really makes the shoe pop. Looking at the back of the shoe, we do have that standard Jordan 14 with that 23 on the back as usual. Looking at the bottom of the sole, we do have the standard Jordan 14 outsole. I do think that's a clean outsole because it's black and you won't have to worry about it getting dirty. We do see that red circle pod with the Roman numerals 14 on it, as well as that Nike Jordan Jumpman in red. I do think this is the overall clean shoe. I can't really say that this is a fall shoe, but I will be rocking these. Another thing that I do like, if you notice real closely, it does have red accent pieces throughout. We're looking at the emblem on the side. We do see that slightly red at the top of over the Jordan Jumpman, as well as the heel. It does see another little piece of red protruding out. And then if we look at the back of the shoe, we do see the red on top again over the Jordan Jumpman. Overall, they did a nice job with this shoe. I just hope the quality is good on these, but I will be rocking these. So what do you think about these, my brother?
14s. The only concern I do have with suede is you going into the winter month, snow, right? Snow and suede typically don't do well together. So that's my my little critique on the shoe itself
Sir.
is the suede. I will be rocking these. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. Right. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.